Dale, what are these?
What you're seeing here are some assembled versions of the kits I make and that they sell in the Maker Shed. This one here that looks so evil and menacing is the Tiny Cylon. It looks like the Cylons from Battlestar Galactica or Kit from Knight Rider, depending on which TV show you like better. But it has a lot of different modes because it's a programmable part, and it can do that direction or glowing pig eyes, which are very scary in the dark, or a single glowing pig eye, which is kind of even scarier, and then a random one. It will do the same one several times for some reason, but then it just picks one at random. And then some other random patterns, which I think of as the robot gone berserk. You don't know what's going to happen next. And then there's one that's a little sparser, and then a little sparser, quite very sparse. And same type of thing with this circuit over here, although it's a red, green, and blue LED. This is just alternating between red and blue right now, but it can do green and blue or various other colors or strobes. I don't know how well that will pick up, but this is actually a prototype. The final production version is quite a bit nicer looking with the rounded corners and different colors. This is plain Jane green.
You're just trying to make sure that it works.
Yes, I made a small batch of them.
Once you get it all proven out, then you'll go and do the pretty boards.
That's exactly right. That's exactly right. And it just shows off the different modes that you can do. But the nice thing is these are all open source, and all the source code is available, both the schematics and the board layouts and all the programming code for the device. So if you want to come in here and reprogram it yourself, you can. I give you all the information you need to go and make any kind of flashing light or blinky type of thing you like.
And how long have you been making these kits?
I've been making these kits for about a year. I've been making electronic devices and things like this for a couple of decades now. So I'm very excited about the little, very inexpensive microcontrollers. These chips are around $1. So you can just go nuts with them, put them in all kinds of different projects.
And they run on 4.5 volts?
They'll run down to under 3 volts. I just go ahead and put 3 batteries in there so they last longer as the batteries age.
Okay. And then these are some other ways of doing it?
Yes, that's a little tiny Cylon in the perimeter defense system. It uses an infrared proximity detectors to follow people around. You can see the sensors on top trigger as you move around. There's an Arduino hidden inside the can that turns the servo based on the sensor. So it's a very simple robot.
Great. All right, well, thank you very much, Dale.
My pleasure. Have fun at Maker Faire.